All countries are being urged not to interfere with this entity. This entity is known as SCP-096. It is a mad and insane being. Anyone who looks at its face will be torn apart in a horrifying manner. This entity is immortal, and every time it is injured it regenerates extremely quickly and continues fighting.
What is Minecraft? In Minecraft you can build anything you want. You can create structures, build farms, make machines, and create anything you can imagine. You can also fight zombies, monsters, and other creatures. Minecraft's natural weather and sky events are like this: full moon, half moon, moon eclipse, there is no moon, a red moon which is
the pre-month phenomenon.